it's Rickita, and I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Mission Lane Visa credit card. Now, don't forget, I'm taking calls right now, you guys, from 12 to 2. So 12 to 2, I'm taking calls. And I was talking to someone, and I was like, oh my gosh, congratulations, you guys. You actually got a $500 increase on your Mission Lane card. And, we was doing different things with their credit. So congratulations to you again for go ahead and get that $500 increase on your car. But I want to talk to you guys, other people, about how they can actually get the same thing too, because I talked to you guys previously about the Mission Lane card, but I don't think a lot of you all really looked into it. I don't think a lot of you actually tried to go ahead and get this credit card. So the Mission Lane credit card, you guys, you don't have a deposit at all with this credit card. So when I say you guys don't have a deposit, that means that usually, like with secure credit cards, you'll have a deposit. You have to put that deposit down. They do not have a deposit, no activation fee, no over the limit fees. A lot of credit cards have the over the limit fees, you guys, but they don't have that. And usually, if you guys have like lower credit scores, you're able to get this credit card. So I always tell people, try to see if they can pre-qualify you for this credit card. So you can click right here, see if I'm approved, and they can pre-qualify you without a hard credit check. And if you have a very low credit score, you can possibly get it. So I always tell people, go ahead and see if they can get pre-qualified for it, because if you guys keep this account, you guys have a great chance of actually getting an increase. If you're keeping the balance low, make sure you're paying bills on time on it, then you guys have a great chance of getting an increase on it in about 6 months. So I want you guys to try to see if they can pre-qualify you for it. And if you get approved for it, keep your balance low. Make sure you guys are paying it on time every month. And just make sure that you don't have like other things happening with your credit. So a lot of people, they'll have like they'll have a new collection on their credit reports. They'll be maxed out on their credit cards. They have just things that's just going wrong with their credit, and then they think that this credit card will give them an increase. And a lot of times they'll look at your credit too and see if they want to give you an increase, and make sure that's fixed. But you guys have a great chance of getting an increase with this card. So see if they can get you approved. So go ahead and share your information. So enter your personal information, your financial information, and it's not going to be hard hit to your credit, but they're going to be able to pre-qualify you. Now, everybody is not going to get approved for this credit card, but I definitely wanted to talk about this credit card because, like I said too, I was talking to someone, they actually got that increase on this credit card, and I thought it would be a great card that you guys can go out and apply for. So if you guys are looking to get an increase, definitely go ahead and check out the Mission Lane card. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. I just want to pop in and tell you guys about that, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, you guys, I am live on Fridays, so make sure you guys come check me out live. And if you want to schedule a call with me, let's go ahead and schedule a call from 12 to 2. And if you're watching this and I gave you homework, you better be doing it, because I always give you guys homework when you guys schedule a call with me. I have to tell you what you have to do. So if I gave you some homework, go ahead and do it, because I know sometimes people is not doing it, and if it's you that's not doing it, then you're gonna get in trouble. So go ahead and do the homework that I gave you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below, or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.